This morning, police returned to court after speeding cases that were deferred a few weeks ago so Justice Wilson Isaac could determine a ruling and clarification on the usage of a speed camera and regulation governing the use of the equipment. According to Chief of Police Mark Chenery, cases that has been brought against speeding drivers from the last local court will be withdrawn. However, the police will still be monitoring speed and motorists should adhere to speed limits. The regulation is clear and police will enforce it, but the main purpose, the speed camera, is used so it deters motorists from speeding. This approach has been applauded by the public. The embarrassing incident over the correct procedure of using the speed camera is not the only concern of the police. Last week, they failed to turn up for a scheduled hearing, prompting Justice Isaac to advise police on its duties and professionalism of actually turning up to prosecute their case or even to send an officer to seek an adjournment. However, that case was heard the next day but was dismissed as police failed to prove the case. Chief Chenery said the unfortunate incident last week was a miscommunication between the parties involved, but it will not be repeated. Police will be vigilant in their duties and he will personally attend court hearings in future to make sure police has a strong case. 20 speeding cases was withdrawn by police today.